guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you. It's not a really big haul. It's from Target's Dollar Spot and the Dollar Tree, and then I picked up, I think it was like 2 or 3 things from Walmart. And it's Farmhouse, Valentines, and just things for my planner. So I'm really excited, but first I'd like to thank everyone for their prayers, their sweet comments that you sent me and my family. It really touched our heart, and I know it made such a huge difference. So I'm just gonna go real briefly and just let you know why she was hospitalized. And then Mom is gonna do a video and go into more depth. But I know everyone is really wondering what was going on. Her blood pressure went up very high. It was like, I think it was like 178 over 110, and her pulse was like 110, but her oxygen saturation was in the 80s. So naturally we went to the ER, and but they have it all figured out pretty much now, and adjusted some medication. So I think she's going to be just fine, but she's going to do a video and go more in depth to what exactly happened and all her adventures in the hospital. So let's get into the haul right now. Okay, first of all, I think I will go to Target's Dollar Spot. They had so many pretty items. I don't think I've showed you this, but I might have. So if I've showed you this, you'll just have to overlook it because I'm still tired and brain dead. But I think I did show you this. But anyway, they have this pretty heart, but you can ignore this one. Okay. So they had these pictures, and they're in different colors, and I love them. They're ceramic, and they're pretty tall, and they're beautiful farmhouse pictures. I mean, they had them in like a darker color that matched my birds that I got the other day. Then they had this, and I think they might have had a green, I'm not sure, but I love these. Okay, and then they had several different trays, and I love this one. This one says, "You are my home and my adventure all at once." And it's so pretty, and you can just see how that wood grain looks. And this is the side. But I love these. I mean, this is really good for Target's Dollar Spot. This was $5, okay? And I forgot to show you how much the picture was. The picture was $5 as well, okay? But I just think those are adorable. So next we'll go to Dollar Tree, okay? I always try to pick up their flowers when I can because they're so economical and they're really pretty. So I got 2 of these pink bunches of roses for Valentine's, or you can use it spring anytime. So I picked that up. And then I got this one. I really thought those roses were so pretty, how they have the lighter tips. They just look so delicate. And then they have the baby's breath and these little pink hearts. I really do love that. And then I went ahead and picked up 2 bunches of the red ones. But those look so pretty. They really look real, okay? And then I couldn't hardly find any washi. So I found this. It's just little airplanes. I'm not that crazy about it, but you never know what you might want to do. So I went ahead and picked this up. And then they had this, and it's like a black. So I always like that. So I picked that one up. I think that's really cute. I like the design in that one. And then I just started looking at their handmade cards, and I love them. Look at this. You can use this for your planner. On Valentine's Day, you could take this out, put it on a planner. You could use it in as a shaker card. You could use it in anything like that you wanted to do. A wish for a day as sweet as you. So I think that's cute, but I really got it for the outside. Okay, and then this one just says you and me. But I love it. Like I said, you can do anything with the planners. And this one says, "There's nothing I want more than to share this Valentine's Day with you." You could even give them as cards, but I really like them for the planners or anything like that. And then this one is, I do not know what I would do without you. And I think that's so cute with the donuts and the coffee. And these are raised. I love them. Okay. And then this one says, I only have eyes for you. I think that is hilarious. It's so cute. And it says, Happy Valentine's Day. But even the inside of these cards are really pretty. And then naturally it comes with the envelope. But I love that. And then this one says, you make me feel warm and fuzzy. And it has a little bear on it. I thought that was adorable. And then it says, I love you. And he's got his little glasses on and a ribbon. And then this one says, a true love story never ends. I think that is so pretty. I love that. And then this one, Valentine, have you heard the scoop? And I think that is really cute too, with the little ice cream cone with the different ice creams on top with the little cherry. I just think that is super cute. And then this is another one with the bear. Bear hugs for the one I love. But you could take this out right here. And like I said, all this is dimensional. And you could do pocket letters, shaker cards, or your planner. And then this one says, love is in the air, with a little hot air balloon with the heart on top. And then this has one of those little gem-like hearts. But I think that is so pretty with the clouds. And then this one says, drink me with X's and O's, love potion, be my Valentine. That is really cute. And this is like a metallic look to it. I love that. And then it has a ribbon. I just love their handmade cards. They're so pretty. And then this one says, me plus you, Happy Valentine's Day, with the tree and the heart. And this heart is actually cut out. And then the birds. And then this is dimensional. I really like that one. And then I found some of these stickers. They're just flat, you know, and they have like the donuts and the ice cream cones and the chocolate covered cherries and the candy and the little hearts and the ice cream. But I thought that was really cute. And then I'd never seen this. It says, you got it, girl. It's just a big peel and stick sticker, but that would be cute in a spread too. And then this one just says girl power. I thought that was really cute. And then I found this stencil. It just says home sweet home. And I thought you could really do a lot with that. Like if you wanted to make a sign, I think that would be really pretty. And then this is one of their wall stickers, and it just says, love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. And then it has the verse in the Bible that comes from. But I think that's really pretty. And then these are different. They're wall decorations too, but this is all about Paris. Paris is always a good idea. And then and then the Eiffel Tower, and then the heart. And then if you put it over here, it has this really cute dress, and this one too. And then it just says glow and sparkle, but once again, planner accessories. And then ooh la la, I think that's really cute. And then this is just all ice cream cone themes. And I think this is adorable, with the ice cream cones and the cupcake and the hearts. I just love that. Looks like somebody took a bite out of that one. I'm getting hungry. Okay, and then this is just their window decorations, and it says Happy Valentine's Day with the hearts, and they have glitter on this writing right here, the Valentine's and the day. And some of the hearts are glittered, but I thought that was really cute. And then this one just says, be mine, loves me not, with the flowers. I just think that's really, really cute. Once again, planner, anything like that. Or even on your refrigerator or your window, something like that. Then I went to, oh, and then Target's Dollar Spot. I almost forgot this one. This was in there, and I thought this was adorable. It was $5, and you can put a candle in that. You could put flowers in that, and it has this handle, and this is glass, and you can see it's really tall. So I love that. I thought that was really cute. Then I went to Walmart and I picked up a Valentine's Day pot holder and oven mitt set. And I thought this was so cute because this is in the shape of a heart, this one. And then the mitt just has this all over it. But I thought these were really cute. And I think these were like 98 cents. And then I picked up two kitchen towels. This one with the hearts. It just looks so happy and bright and cheerful. And I think this one might have been, I think both of these might have been 98 cents or $1 something. They weren't much. And then I picked these up with the donuts. I love donuts. And I thought these just looked bright and cheerful and just so happy. So that's all I have for my haul. Next week we're going to start working on our Cricut. I'm so excited. And start doing some DIYs. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.